Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Gmail tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up email forwarding in Gmail. So if you're trying to forward emails from a Gmail account to any other email address, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn that on and get it set up. All right, so the first thing we need to do is open up a browser and go to gmail.com because setting up mail forwarding is not possible within the Gmail app on an iPhone or Android phone. Once you get to gmail.com, make sure you're logged into your Gmail account and go up into the top right and select the gear for settings. Once the quick settings open up, go to see all settings, and this will open up all of the settings for your Gmail account. From here, we need to go up into the top menu and select forwarding and pop/IMAP. Select that. And then at the top, we have the first option, which is add a forwarding address. So select add a forwarding address right here. Enter the email address you want your mail forwarded to here, and then select next. Confirm that you want to forward your mail to this email address and select proceed. Now, as you can see, we need to open up the email that we'll be forwarding our Gmail to confirm the address. So you'll receive an email that looks like this, Gmail forwarding confirmation, copy the code, and then go back to Gmail. Now we're back on Gmail, we just need to select OK. And then under the forwarding area of settings, we just need to enter the code to verify the email address. So paste the code and then select verify. Now that we've set up our forwarding address, we need to configure how Gmail will forward our mail. So by default, it will disable forwarding. All we need to do is select forward a copy of incoming emails, and then make sure we have our correct email address selected here. And then finally, right here, we can select what we want Gmail to do in our Gmail account. So we can keep a copy of all the emails in our mailbox. We can also have them deleted, archived, or just marked as read in our Gmail account. So I'm just going to select keep a copy of the emails in the inbox. From here, we need to go to the bottom and select Save Changes. And there you go. All emails received in this Gmail account will be forwarded to our new address. All right, so that's how you set up email forwarding in Gmail. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Gmail tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.